Did you know President Mnangagwa has vowed to step down in 2028? Let's dive into the facts. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has reaffirmed his commitment to adhere to Zimbabwe's constitutional term limits, promising to step down after his second term ends in 2028. Speaking to Zimbabweans in the diaspora in Beijing, Mnangagwa emphasized his dedication to the constitution, which he helped draft. He stated, "I am a constitutionalist. Have you ever heard that? It means I adhere to the Constitution, and I am one of those who drafted it. Those with whom you are gossiping, saying the president may extend his term, no, I will never do that." Despite these assurances, some political observers remain skeptical. They suggest Mnangagwa might be gauging public opinion before making a final decision. Within his party ZANU-PF, there are voices pushing for him to extend his rule. Mnangagwa has labeled these advocates as unpatriotic. As 2028 approaches, the president's actions will be closely monitored, with the global community watching Zimbabwe's political landscape. Will Mnangagwa truly honor his word? Only time will tell.